kitty. Hey, hey, come back. Hey, kitty, come back. Come back. Do I hear coyotes?
Hey, no, did you hear the coyotes?
Yes.
Here's Zoe out here.
Okay, I'll think I'll better go to this other door. Oh, why is it so dark?
Well, because it's late and there's no lights because we're in the country.
I guess we're spending the weekend in the country. Jonathan. I'm just an Adult Swim Smalls fan. Jonathan, we're spending the weekend in the country. Nature is so grumpy. City is so... No. Nature is so pretty in the night. City makes me grumpy. City makes me grumpy. I watched Jonathan Poe's episode. That's way complete than Jamira Home, and Cool 3D World. Jonathan Poe's. It's called Frog Advice, and it's Jonathan a frog. Frog. It's like a frog. It's a frog paying attention to Jonathan until he wakes up in a dream that he wakes up in a dream that he and his dog are in the car, and they drove into a pond in this anamorphic car thing. That's so mistakenly weird. Woo! That's...
So there's water pulled up.
Been watching some coyote sounds. Been making some coyote sounds ever since I was 7.
Yeah, and one started, and then the other one, year 2, and then.
All right, let's go back inside.
And that's some dang Felton. Oh no. It's not gonna. Merry Christmas. Wait, Merry Christmas. It's not Christmas. It's August the 20th. And what time is it? What time is it? Uh-oh, it's 8:42 p.m.
You know, I've seen a lot.
It's still creepy.
I have seen a lot.
Okay, we have too much time today, so I'll stick around with some more videos.